Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Artie! Oh, Artie? Where is he, little artists? Can you see him? I don't see him anywhere. Oh, wait a minute. I see you, Artie. You were hiding from us.
How wonderful to see everyone today.
Well, it's wonderful to see you too, Betty. Today, we're going to have fun making a mess. We're going to pour some paint into a cardboard letter. Go get paint.
Where is Artie? Where did he go? Doesn't he know we have to do a show?
I wonder what Artie is going to create today.
Do you not know, Artie? You know, you're teasing. Let's cover your desk with a trash bag to protect it. If you don't have any trash bags, you can use some old newspaper. Okay, are you ready to make a mess?
Yeah.
Well, don't get too excited. We're not going to make too much mess.
Are you ready to make some art?
Ready.
Do you have your letter? Letter A. What does that stand for?
Artie. Yeah.
That's right. Letter A for Artie.
I can feel the anticipation in the air.
Let's start, Artie. You can buy these cardboard letters in a craft store. But don't worry, you can also use, I don't know, an old shoebox lid or the lid of an old tin. Anything, really. As long as it's something you can pour the paint into and it won't pour out the sides. Okay, Artie, are you ready to pour? No?
Yeah.
Of course, you're just kidding. Okay, let's get that yellow paint and pour it into the bottom of the two legs of the A. Right leg and then left leg. Not too much. What colour next?
I know. Orange.
Orange. A nice bright orange. Give it a last stir. Okay, set the stick to one side. And let's get to pouring. Let's pour it right into the top of the A.
Mikey, do you like it when Artie uses paint?
Betty, you know full well Mikey prefers marker pens. All right, a lovely sky blue. Where are you going to pour that, Artie? Oh, right into the middle of the A. One big blob on the right side and one big blob on the left side. Okay, little artist, now it's the really fun part. Now Artie's going to tip the A up and let all the orange paint pour down and around inside the letter until it meets the blue paint.
I love paint.
Yes, we know, Betty. Okay, now let's tip it the other way and see if we can get that yellow paint to come down and touch the blue. It's moving down, but the blue's going into the orange as well. That looks really interesting. Joke break? You want a joke break?
What has two legs but can't walk? A pair of pants.
A pair of pants. That was a good one, Mikey. Let's add a little bit of yellow in the middle there. And now let's really try and get this yellow moving around. So far, Artie, you've been very clean. All the mess is inside the letter. I'm very impressed. It looks like the orange paint is a little bit runnier than the blue and the yellow, so it's really moving around. But that's fine. It's really good. It looks great.
Speaking as a brush, you know I love paints.
We know, Betty, we know. Now, Artie's using a squeezy bottle full of blue paint, and he's just going to drip a line right the way across the letter. Then another one, and another one, making nice blue stripes.
Wow, this is amazing.
Now let's try a squeezy bottle with some pink paint. Oh, just some little drips and spots of pink paint. Very creative, Artie. That's looking pretty finished, Artie.
Look at all the colors. I think he's almost done.
Yep, all done. Let's clear away the plastic so we can see it properly. Finished! Very good, Artie, but you've got to be patient while all that paint dries.
Yeah.
Was that
Yeah,
fun?
it was fun.
Could you hold it up for us?
Ooh,
What does the A stand for?
A for Artie. Yay!
Of course!
Don't you think that's a masterpiece, little artists?
Yeah,
Are you happy with it?
very happy. Yeah.
Good, I'm happy if you're happy.
Artie, hey.
Let's say goodbye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.